right next to me. In the aisle between detergents and wine, just in front of instant me. Now I wonder, beside the counter, where you turn to smile at me. And I hope to catch a glimpse of your face, but all I see is fantasy. You never come again, though I look for you in every road from A to Z. I'm caught up in you so hopelessly, I forget my groceries. Now every time I go to that corner store, I just keep thinking you'll be there. Yes, it's crazy to think I love you. Supermarket love affair.
Thank you, honey. You know what? I am not a perfect husband, right? But I am always by your side. I always love you, and I will always love you to the end. Okay?